Quickly, let's start. Students, please type your branch, degree, and year of passing so that we'll quickly move on to the actual demo or actual discussion about what is this program all about. BCom. Kavita, 2025, is it? You wrote to 2005. BCom 2025. Okay. CSC. All right, students, please keep typing your specialization and your degree. Meanwhile, 20, 2025. Okay. All right, students, let's move on to the presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anuradha Tota. And let me first ask you, do you know Blackbucks already? Did you do any program already with Blackbucks? Type yes or no if you haven't done any program with Blackbucks. Okay, all right. So looks like many of these students haven't didn't remember which you have done. Okay, all right. No issues. Many students don't seem to know Blackbucks. Actually, we are very well known in at least in the engineering colleges. We are very well known across Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. We are very well known actually. Most of the engineering colleges, every student might have done some program or the other with Blackbucks. So, because you all do not know Blackbucks, let me give just 5 minutes of introduction about Blackbucks. Before that, my name is Anuradha Tota. I am founder, MD of Blackbuck Engineers Private Limited. And we are into latest technologies like digital technologies and placements for the students. That is the reason all the engineering college students definitely know us. In last year, around 25,000 students have done internships with Blackbucks, and have many of them have got placements also from Blackbuck. Through Blackbucks, we also have a placement portal where a lot of students apply and get placements. So we are into exclusive placements. We are into higher education, like you all have come for the postgraduate program. So we are into higher education. We do faculty development programs. We establish centers of excellence in digital technologies in engineering colleges. So a lot of big colleges. We work with governments. If you see JNTU Hyderabad, we work with, and we work with the Computer Society of India. We work with JNTU Kakinada. We work with IIT Hyderabad, AP Higher Education. We work with Task, Telangana. So we work with lot of governments, and we also work with very big universities across India. You might have heard about Christ University, Manipal University, Amity University. We work with all these universities. All our courses are AICTE approved. Okay, last year we have our portal called TapTap is used by more than 1.5 lakh students for testing their capabilities for employment. Everybody was given a score, and many of them got jobs on the placement, whoever done very well on this. Okay. So, and we are affiliated, as I said, all our courses are AICT NEET approved, and we are associated with JNTU, Kakinada, and something called IIDT, International Institute of Digital Technologies, Tirupati, and then JNTU Hyderabad. We are associated with number of these large universities, and our postgraduate programs will be given certifications either by JNTU Hyderabad or IIDT, which is Government of Andhra Pradesh entity. Okay, so your post graduation certification is given by very valid uh, valid universities. So it is valid across any other country. Even if you go to other countries, it is highly valuable, whatever you are getting. And Black Books also got a lot of awards. These are all past 6 to 7 years. Even this year, we have got an award. A lot of awards for our technology related courses, and for training of lot of students with the best quality. We have got a lot of awards, as you see on the screen. And our presence is in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, and even Orissa. So we have lot of presence across all these states. Okay. As I said, around 1.5 lakh students have completed certain courses on our platform. We tied up with 220 colleges. Many of them are engineering colleges, and we have 21,000 internships we have done in this year. Some of the students might be knowing this. Around 42 students are there. If the student is from engineering college, is high probability that they would know Blackbox. Okay. We also train faculty themselves, because most of these new technologies, faculty themselves are not trained. So we also train faculty in these new technologies. So that is about it. And you are all for this about the Blackbox. You are all for this Pega program. So let me tell you, did you hear Pega? Students, can you type whether you have heard about Pega earlier? Heard about Pega. Okay, Santoshi, no. Students, did you hear? No. Okay. So Pega is one of the topmost companies in the world, and they are very good at business automation. So if you have seen in your in the mailers that you have reserved, there is a technology stream and there is a business stream. There are many commerce students who can consider the business stream, but there is the technology students, BSc students, and BTech students. They should consider the technology stream. Okay, so let me. So Pega opportunities. Let me type what is Pega opportunities in India. What is Pega? So you see, lot of jobs in Pega you will have. If you know Pega, there are a lot of So is Pega a good career choice? Highly popular software and lot of jobs. I mean, in India, it is popular. It is a US based company, but it is very, very popular in India. Lot of service companies, Pega network. That means people who will install Pega in various companies. Those companies are themselves in thousands. Okay. So is Pega a high paying job? It is a paying job. Is it in high demand? So it is very much in high demand. So you can yourself look into what is that. You can see it is very, very high demand. Even TCS people and Wipro people, they also need Pega developers. So see, Wipro, Accenture, TCS, Deloitte, everybody hires Pega. So Pega developers, Pega technical people, Pega business people. So they hire lot of Pega people. Okay, you can see on the screen what is Pega, and I will suggest you go to pega.com and read little bit of Pega. It is one of the topmost, like SAP. You all must be knowing SAP. Like SAP, it is one of the topmost softwares used by most of the companies across the world. Okay, so go here. Nowadays, they have started utilizing artificial intelligence and growing very, very fast. They have, as I said, thousands of partners and thousands of customers. Everybody hiring Pega. That is why Pega developers and hiring with hiring of people or students who have Pega knowledge is very, very high. You will have definitely edge over other people. And there are a lot of 2024 students here, and you definitely know the market of jobs currently is really poor. How many of you know how is the market for students or freshers? How many of you know? Please type very bad, yes. Anybody else knows how is the market? The market is really very bad. No job nowadays is really very bad. So what it is in a recession. Okay, okay. Bhagwan, I'm sorry to hear that after you crack the job also, if you are waiting, then it is very tough situation. Jasmine is almost crying. So, what alternatives do we have for employment? Can you tell me what alternatives do we have for employment? Many people land up in places like Amirpet, do some courses, but it is the same situation what happens after college. Who is going to give job in Amirpet? Because in Amirpet it is just skilling. They will teach you something and it is skilling and it is done. After that, who is showing the jobs? Again, you will have to search and go to different places. It is a bad situation, and just doing a course in some training institute doesn't help. Okay, that is why this program, post graduation certificate, in collaboration with you will get certificate from either from JNTU or IIDT, depending on which one you are choosing. But there are options. One option is Pega, which you are seeing, Pega Technical, Pega Business for business students. Even commerce students or BBA students, there is one Pega. So you have Pega for technical students, Pega for business or management students or commerce students. And then third, if you are a technical student, there are you are sciences students, say, there are many jobs even for full stack developer. So we also have opportunities for students who want to become software developers without Pega. You also can do a postgraduate program in full stack without Pega. So you can do BSc biotechnology student. You can probably take up the business stream. Okay, there will be a lot of opportunities for business stream students. You take business stream. So you have, as I said, Pega technology, Pega business stream, and then full stack. You can choose any of these for your recorded session with us, definitely Bhagwan. So these are the three options I would suggest for you to consider. Mm, so that's about Pega, and as I said, the certification of postgraduate program comes either from Government of Andhra Pradesh through IIDT or you will get from JNTU. So you will be getting from one of these universities depending on the stream that you choose along with Blackbucks. And if you choose Pega, Pega also will give the certificate. You will get the Pega logo. And most importantly, what happens when you choose Pega is we will have access to all those thousands of companies who will recruit Pega students because it is through Pega. We have tied up with Pega. We have access to all those thousands of companies, and your profiles will be sent to all of them, and they will be recruiting you. Any of them will be recruiting you. So you have huge access of those companies, and it is very much high in demand. Okay. Same thing, even if you choose full stack also, we have lot of companies as tie-ups and your profile will be sent to all those companies. What is even more better is those people from those companies will teach. Suppose you have chosen Pega stream, people from Pega who are employees of Pega, who are actually working in that company, they will come and teach you. Same with full stack, whoever is working in those technologies, they will come and teach you. So teaching is not done by just teachers or academicians. From that company only they will teach. And then they will hire you into that company. That's the arrangement we had with these companies. Okay. So it is one place recording classes. Okay. Biotechnology people also, I said you are eligible. BSc computers, you are eligible. Tech biotechnology, you are eligible. BCom students, you are eligible for Pega business stream. Where do you post the recording classes? This one or in general classes? You will have a LMS. I will show you LMS. Tap, tap. Are you able to see tap, tap screen? Type yes if you're able to see. Okay, in that case, this is where there is an LMS and all the recorded sessions will be on this. Okay, there will be, you will be creating a post-graduate program in this, and in that everyday sessions will be there. Okay, this is a virtual like program. As I said, the teachers or whoever is teaching is from Pega company. They will be teaching you. Okay, this is that. And if you can see, there are job posts also. Lot of jobs we keep on posting here. So it is a program where there is careful handholding from learning from the company, and from there we carefully place you into a organization in placement. So this is how it works in this program. Okay, and so that's about. Let me tell you. So about Blackbucks, about Pega, I have told, and opportunities in Pega also I showed you. You yourself can search if you want, and salary also is high when compared to a fresh graduate joining TCS or any other company of that sort. The salary bracket is higher for this. Okay. Now I'll transfer it to Gurumurthy sir. Gurumurthy sir will explain to you what program this is, what are the different components in this program, how you will learn all these things. Gurumurthy sir will explain to you. Over to you, Gurumurthy.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all for, am I audible, right? Thank you all for joining today. Thanks a lot. Okay, guys, please type you are from IT or non-IT. Non-IT in the sense for not from the computer science. IT or non-IT. Thank you. I'm going to share a screen here. Let me know what is this. Can you able to see the screen, please? Let me know what is this.
Sir is asking you, what do you see on the screen? Did you play with it anytime? Blocks, yeah.
Yes, toy bricks. Okay. Okay, Lego. Okay, fine, fine. Okay. This is a like someone type like he's from non-IT. Someone type like he's from IT. This is how the Pega works. You know building blocks, right? You can just take that block and you can construct house, or you can construct toy, or you can construct whatever you want, puzzle games, whatever the thing, you can construct whatever you want. The same format, the Pega tool work. Say if I'm coming from a biotechnology background, or if I'm coming from physics background, chemistry background, or from mechanical engineering background, I'm not going to write any coding. Is this is clear for everyone? I'm not going to write any coding here. So I'm going to write. I'm not going to. I'm not going to write any coding. I'm going to use only Pega tool to create my flowchart. Okay, let's take an example here. Wasabi jasmine. Wasabi. I'm sorry. Patan jasmine. Can you please talk? Patan jasmine. Patan. Am I audible? Or let's take Suresh C. Patan, can you talk, please? What? Patan Jasmine. I cannot able to hear you. Okay, no issues. Can I take some other candidate? Sai Kumar, are you there? Sai Kumar. Okay. Uh, I don't know. There is some tech issue. Okay. Say from whatever the domain you are from, you are going to use the Pega to create a software. You got it right. For example, if I'm going to create a project for my final year uh, in a biotechnology or in computer science. So first, what I need is first I will create a number of students or number of batchmates, maybe three. Post that I'm going to give a job for each and everyone. He is going to write the chart. He is going to create the product, and we are going to share this product actually. So the same thing applicable here. You don't need to be like a technical person. This is like a low code and no code. Guys, can you help me with what is the meaning of low code and no code? Low code, no code. What is the meaning? Low code and no code in the sense you don't need to write any kind of code. You can just go ahead and go ahead and complete the process like Lego blocks. You can construct whatever you want. So that's the way the process is simplified and well defined.
Gurmurthy, shall I display your presentation or how is it actually?
Yes, ma'am, I'm going to display the presentation.
Yeah.
Guys, can you able to see the screen?
Yes, Guru.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. So this is like it's a collaborative program between IIDT and JNTU and Pega and Blackbucks actually. So this is the program you are going to offer. So it's suited for more, technical and non-technical candidates also. Anyone, say for example, if I am from biotechnology or if I am from mechanical engineering, if I would like to change my career to the IT company, this is the best program where you don't need like coding skills. You just need to have a better common sense. You just need to understand the problem, and this is like you can able to take something directly from the Pega tool and put it there in the Pega in the software actually for creating. So if you could see like what is the need for there is a lot of need for BPA, business process automation tool. There is a lot of need and a lot of skill gap actually. So this program, it's like very in the sense it's like a tailored program. It's for the 11 months. You are going to get a hands-on learning for each and everything. Like the trainer will come from Pega. They will teach you, and also we are going to have a proper mentorship. Mentor will come from industry. The mentor will come from academia also. They will give a clear guidance on what to do and how you can able to prepare for the examinations, and also how to prepare for the recruitment process. If I'm going to see the structure of the program, it's 11 months program, and it's like you can able to understand what are the digital skills needed for going to the corporate actually. Then it will be like a core hands-on training with lot of industry exposure. So we are going to have a guest lecture sessions. We are going to have a couple of one-on-one interactions with the industry leaders. So this will help you to understand what is happening in the industry with the Pega tools. And this will be like an offline and online on the presence of IIDT and JNTU campus actually, with all the facilities. So if you could see the roadmap, this is the roadmap actually. So once you are onboarded, from that point we are going to handhold you for everything, right from the program inductions. Then start with a kind of we will share you what are the modules. If you are from the tech background, say someone from the IT background, what will be your modules? Someone from the non-IT background, what will be the modules? And the workshops, industry projects, and everything will be shared to you. And every week depends on the timings, depends on the flexibility and schedule. We are going to have a guest lecture sessions, and from the Pega experts from industries actually. Then we are going to give you like a lot of live projects in which you are going to work directly with the industry people, and also will help you for the industry business. Then followed by the Pega people will train you in the Pega certifications. And before going for the proper certifications, you are going to have a mock training, especially the mock exams and everything. That will solve you the entire thing before going for the final presentation. And from the Blackbucks, we'll help you for the networking and alumni engagements. Especially, we focus more on soft skill training, making you to prepare very good for the interview process. And we will do a one-on-one career counseling also to you, and mentorship. This is one of the key points I would like to discuss here. We have about close to 70 plus mentors. The mentors coming from the very top industry like Genpact, or some CEOs or CHROs in the leading industries like IBM, TCS, and everything. They will have a kind of discussion with you, like monthly once or monthly twice, just to understand how far you are going in your career and how you can able to develop your skills, which is needed for the industry. Then we will work closely with your continuous assessments and capstone projects. If capstone projects like a short-term projects, like what is happening in the industry, the same kind of projects actually. Then followed by the program completion and graduation. And on top of it, once you completed the program, once you are get placed, you will be on the Pega alumni community actually. From that point, we'll help you for the alumni networks, because a lot of people who passed before a few years, like 2023, 22, 21, or 2018. So all will be in that alumni community. Will help you with those networks in the professional development and for the career services. So these are like an aspect of program, how we are going to do it. It starts from the program preparation till we are going to complete with the graduation actually, till the graduation and post program support. The entire detail will show you like we are going to work closely with you, except certification, because certification will be done by the Pega people actually, the certification training. Rest everything, we are going to work very closely with you. From day one onwards, we are going to help you how to clear this program. Okay. Say this is for the technical people and non-technical people. So technical people, the same. The for the technical and non-technical people, the duration will be same. It's a 11 months program. And for the technical people, you can see what is the certification details. And for the business people, you can see what is the certification details actually. So technical people goes mostly on the system architect and senior system architect, and also a decisioning consultant. Here, the people goes as a business architect and decisioning consultant, and also goes with certified Pega data scientist actually. So, and finally, both the technical and non-business program who works with an IIDT, who works with the JNTU, both we are going to combine, and we are going to have a final 1 month of program where the technical and the business students can able to work together and understand a kind of small short-term project, and how they can, so the technical people can able to understand what is happening in the business industry, and business people can able to understand how the technical flow works here. So this is about the placement process, as I have mentioned some time back. So it will be like right from the course program till mentors, the project preparation, exam preparations, assignment process, the grooming session. The grooming session, we are going to help you a lot right from the day zero. We will sit with you, we will help you how to prepare for the interview process, how to create a proper CV, how to create a proper LinkedIn profile, GitHub link in case of you are a technical candidate. Then we will help you for finding the companies for the interview process. And once you got placed, till you get placed. So if I'm going to talk about the hiring partners, you take any company, any service industry like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Virtusa, Cognizant, Capgemini. You take any product-based company. Every company at some point they are using the Pega. So if I'm going to give a small idea here, if I'm going to check like how many openings only in Bangalore, I can see about 13,000 plus openings only in the Pega in Bangalore actually. And the salary ranges above with whatever the service companies like TCS and Infosys going to offer. The service-based industries are going to offer in academic institutions that is much more higher than whatever they are offering there actually. And I can say the career growth is also very steep, in which you can go maximum up to 15 to 20 lakhs within 4 years. And, this is a detail about the program. I'm
Okay.
happy to take the questions now.
Okay, actually, let me also tell them about the start date and fees,
Yes, ma'am.
Gurmurthy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students, you just came to know about what is Pega, and as Gurumurthy has mentioned, once again, I want to re-emphasize, it is a job-oriented program. And there are lots of opportunities related to what we are going to teach. In all the streams, there are lots of job opportunities, and we specialize in placements. And this is a postgraduate certification program and very high value program. And soon after this, in the Pega network, there are a lot of jobs. As I said, as Gurumurthy mentioned, only in Bangalore, there are 13,000 jobs currently for Pega specialization people. So, and you have two streams. You can choose, even if you're a technical stream person and you're not interested in technology and coding, you can move to the business stream. So, there is a technical stream, there is a business stream. You can choose any one of these for the Pega program. And this is a very high value program. Pega and one of the government institutions plus Blackbucks together will be awarding you certification, and you will land up at the end of this 11-month program, you will land up with a high paying job. So that's about it. However, because it is a guaranteed program in your job, we cannot give a job guarantee. We cannot give a guarantee to a person who is not at all skilled. who cannot crack jobs, who cannot speak properly. So we cannot give to them. So there is a kind of small aptitude test, general aptitude test. You all know, right? Most of you might have prepared for placements. Everybody gives an aptitude test. So there is an aptitude and communication skills test. If you clear the aptitude and communication skills test, there is a small interview just to check whether we can train the student and place. If we think we cannot train the student and we cannot place, then you will not be getting your seat into this program. So we will check through aptitude test and communication test, and after that there will be a small interview where we will talk to you. Interview means we'll talk to you, understand your aspiration, whether you will be able to attend all the classes, do the classwork, do the homework, and finally get into placements. That for that understanding purpose there will be a small interview. Okay, that's the joining admission process is that. So step one is you have to register on the form. Step two is after that, there will be a small online aptitude test. And step three, there will be a small interview. Okay. And that's about the registration. And what are the dates? When will the program start? The program starts on 23rd December. If there are any students who are 2025 students, you can join in the next batch, which is on March 17th. So dates you remember. One is December 23rd is the batch start date, and second batch is on March 17th. Even 2025 students can join the second batch. Okay. And how many students will be there in each class? Because we are promising placement for all these students, there will be only less than 40 students in each batch. We'll be selecting only less than 40 students in each batch, and all these 40 students will be getting their placement in Pega network. And not only that, during the during from say December onwards itself, for students in the 40 batch students, almost 20 students will be getting a paid internship. Though the payment is less, they will be getting a paid internship. Okay? This is about the total program. So did you hear? I will tell the fee also. Fee is high, and I will tell about it. But can you type what are the dates? I'm just checking if you are hearing. What are the dates? When is the batch starting? Yeah, yeah, December 23rd is the batch start. Okay. Also, let me ask you this. Which one are you interested in, Pega Technical or Pega Business Stream? Okay. Okay. So you all have to now think about what will be the future without a job, and how important a program, a postgraduate program, which will directly place you into a job is important. So based on that thinking, you will have to finalize, you have to speak to your parents too. The fees for this program, which can be divided over those 11 months, 2 or 3 based on how you want to pay. We can find out 2 or 3 installments. And secondly, we also have tie up with certain financial institutions who will also give you loan related to the course. And after the course you can slowly start paying probably monthly 4-5 thousand, because you will already get a job, and 4-5 thousand will be nothing. Your investment will be almost nothing if you see, objectively think properly. Your investment will be almost nothing, because even the fee will be paid by a financial institution on a loan basis. And after your placement, you can start paying them monthly 5,000 or 6,000 and clear your loan. Okay. So non-Pega program, which is full stack I have mentioned, is for 11 months, it's 2 lakhs. For Pega program, whether it be technical Pega program or business Pega program, it is 3 lakhs, because after that, even your placement will be of very high, probably 6 to 7 lakhs is very normal to get after the Pega program. And as I said, you will be directly placed into Pega partner ecosystem. You will be placed into their Pega. And from there, Just think about it, because once you get a job from there, it's only moving on to next job and next job with higher salaries. Okay. But that first break is very important, especially in this market when their opportunities are very less to settle. This one is a golden opportunity. So discuss with your parents. What will happen is, once you fill this form, and if you are interested, you fill this form, our team will call you up, and they'll also have a meeting with your parents. If your parents need, they also need some assurance, right? How will I know if there is a job guarantee? Because this is all government tie-up program. So don't worry about it. This is a government tie-up program and completely safe for you. So we'll also tell the same things to your parents also. So if a meeting is required with your parent, or some of your brothers may be working somewhere else in the in software or in corporate, we can also speak to them. Whoever is your guide, we can speak to them. Or so first step is, you have to register here. Second step, we will speak to them, and then you write the test. If you clear the test, there will be an interview. And if you need the loan, like this, you have to see a good, you have to really think very well, because your investment is zero. At the end, you will get a job, and with a very good salary. Maybe you will be earning 50,000 per month, of which you have to pay 5,000 per month to the loan. So, thinking very clearly, it is the best program that you will get, that will carefully land you from where you stand into a career, into a very good career. So, think think well. People will have different guides. If they know what to do, you know what to do with your with your career, you definitely know what to do. But think properly, because I've seen many of them don't think properly. We provided internship to a student, which where they were giving 15,000 per month in a company, but they were saying 15,000 per month, I cannot live in Bangalore. Instead, I will stay back, and they never got a job later. So students don't think properly. Take somebody's help. You can also take a counselor's help from our organization. They will speak to your parents, and you can take next steps very cleverly into your career. Okay. If you are interested, please type in that, and we will talk to you and also to your parents to take you on to your next steps. Okay. Yeah, do you have any other questions, students? Please type if you have any questions. 2 or 3, 4 minutes we can talk, and then we can close it. 2025 students, you can start in the next batch, which is in March. But anyway, you register in this so that we can again speak to you in 2025 March. We can speak to you about that program. Register in it anyway. Okay, students, if you don't have any questions, please register in the form, and we will get back to you. Okay. So take wise decisions, take good decisions into your career, and all the best to all of you. Which fee you need to pay for non-Pega program, which is into full stack, it is 2 lakhs rupees. And you can pay in 3 different installments, or you don't need to pay anything. It will be given a loan, and then you can pay after you get your job. Okay, that's about non-Pega program. If it is a Pega program, whether it's technical stream or business stream, it is 3 lakhs. Okay. All right, students, all the best to you. Have great careers, have great future. Which companies? A lot of companies are there. Pega has almost thousands of companies as their service providers. They have a network of companies. So any of these companies, you will be placed. Okay, your profile will be sent to all these companies, and you will be placed in one of these companies. Likta. Yes, every student of this program will be placed in Pega. That is why there is admission process also. There is also a test where we will see whether we can place or not. Only if we can place, you will be getting admission. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you so much. All the best to all of you. Register in this form if you are interested, and then we'll keep in touch and take you to the next steps. Okay. All the best to you. Have a great future. Thank you, Likita, and thanks everyone. Bye.